Let's go. My kind of thought process is staying true to just a couple parts. We're not gonna overthink it.
I'm gonna drive. This is gonna be a story. You gotta think outside the box.
I want a couple of these body starters. I'm going to stick them in the can.
The best and first placed rig goes to 3 contestants, 2 rounds, 1 winner. Welcome to the Filmtools Grip Grocery Games. I'm your host, Josh Miller, and today we are joined by Tenzin Lazerson, Tommy Shaw, and Marcus Graham. Boys, introduce yourselves.
Yo, I'm Tenzin. I fancy a nice rig here and there. Anything to do with my little hands is awesome. So, based in Utah, that's pretty much it.
Tom, Instagram, Tom X Shaw. I'm a cinematographer from the East Coast. I'm here to dominate, not making friends today.
I'm Marcus Graham, also a cinematographer from the East Coast and content creator. And if I win today, Tom said he'd take me to Disneyland.
Here's how the game works. Each round, there will be a rigging challenge. They're gonna be given a specific rig that they need to build out and a specific item that they have to use. Then they'll be given 3 minutes to run around the Filmtools store to grab everything that they need, and then they're gonna come back and be given 20 minutes to actually build it out. And then I'm gonna judge it off of stability, creativity, and safety. The weakest rig will be eliminated. The winner of everything is going to be given a $500 gift card to Filmtools to be able to give to one of you. So make sure you stick around to the very end to figure out how to get that. All right, boys, for round 1, here is your challenge and must-use item.
Oh no! Diet Coke.
For our first challenge, the contestants have 20 minutes to rig their cameras to a Diet Coke can as a snorri cam. Snorri cams create unique visual effects by creating a fixed angle, and the subject appears stationary while the background moves around them. As part of their rigs, they must use at least one teeny-weeny rod of any size. These are micro grip rods, which are perfect for smaller camera rigs. They'll have 3 minutes to grab anything else they'll need from the Filmtools store. Let's see how they do it. All right, boys, so the first challenge is to use the items that I just showed you, but we're doing a snorri cam. You've got to rig the Coke can to the camera, and everything else is free game. You guys ready?
Yeah!
Are you sure?
Double sure. Triple sure. Why was it only me?
On your mark, get set, go!
I just need a couple of maybe 4 or 5, because those will work.
I remember seeing these little adapter pins somewhere.
Trying to go off this thing.
I need a cross and gobble heads.
My kind of thought process is going smaller the better.
Okay.
You know, just staying true to just a couple parts, making sure that everything's just solid.
Simple recipe.
Yeah, we're not gonna overthink it.
Do you think you have everything you need?
Yeah, we'll roll with that.
All right, bro, now you gotta get back outside. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that everyone's got what they need, it's time to start building. All right, boys, are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this.
So ready.
Okay, 20 minutes starts. Now. Marcus, what are you starting out with?
I did one of these like little quarter 20 adapters straight into the grip head, and we're gonna go with this longer rod directly in the side of it.
Did you bring that knife with you?
I found this outside.
Oh, smart. Okay, well, I guess that makes sense.
I've got these body starters, so I put one of these inside, screwing the baby pin to that.
Okay, here we go. My thought process is making it as minimal as possible, because the less parts, the less options you have for it to go wrong.
My problem now, I can't set this down. So it's really hard to make micro adjustments. See what happens when I adjust.
Okay, this is nice. He's got triangles going. Triangles are important. Tenzin, here's a serious
I
question.
haven't framed it up yet.
Do you know how to turn a camera on?
Oh man.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. I'm checking out these rigs and judging them on their stability, creativity, and safety. We're gonna start with Tenzin. The actual connection to the can itself, for sure the best. Moving on to Marcus. Let's see. I like good choice on the pin, into the grip head. I like the sturdiness for...
Gives you a little handle on the
yeah,
side.
I like that. Okay, Tom,
Okay, be careful with the
big baby, my big boy. Oh, okay, so he used, on the teeny weeny, he put a nut on it to screw down. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. All right, we're gonna watch the footage back and then make my final decision. All right, Tenzin's rig is looking stable, it's set ready, and while simple, shows a bit of creativity. Marcus's rig is pretty creative, but he's losing major points for that super clamp, making his rig unsafe and damaging the can. Tom's shot has a bit of a wiggle here. It's not too stable or creative, but it is mounted on there safely. This is gonna be a tough call. All right, boys, after much consideration, I took everything into account, and I have to say that the best and first placed rig goes to Tenzin Lazerson.
Yes!
Oh, it's okay, don't cry.
Thank you. I've just always been wanting to win one of these.
All right, so whose name I say next will be going home. Marcus. Sorry, there was just the creativity of using, oh, okay, he left the building.
Hell yeah.
So now we are moving on to round 2. We're gonna really see who knows how to rig. Let's see what we got next.
The suction cup.
You gotta get a shot of the driver with a suction cup.
Okay, easy money.
Yeah, you got this.
For our final challenge, the contestants have 20 minutes to put together a car rig. Car rigs create unique visuals where the subject is mostly static, but the realistic jitter of the car can be seen in the background motion. The rig must be inside the car, with the camera facing the driver. The must-use item is a suction cup, which creates a vacuum between the cup and a flat surface. They'll have 3 minutes to grab everything else they need from the Filmtools store. Let's see if they can pull it off. All right, boys, this is round 2. How you guys feeling? What do you think?
Plead the fifth.
Okay, fair.
Got some tricks up my sleeves. They're short sleeves, but they still got them.
There's no trick.
Dude, he's got a sleeper build, bro.
No tricks up.
Yeah, wait till you see what I'm hiding under the hood.
All right, well, if you guys are ready, then in 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, let's go.
I do need a bunch of 5/8 rod stuff.
Where are the 3/8 at?
I need a couple female threaders. Check that out. Hella.
Go, you got 1 minute.
Where's the suction cup of choice?
Suction cups are over there.
Oh, it's just these ones? I was gonna make sure they're 3/8.
You're running low on time.
Can't hurt to have a couple. I get a couple grip heads. I got these mini ones to replace them if we need.
And you've got 5 more seconds. You got to get over the finish line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Safe.
Easy.
Attaboy. Okay, you feeling good?
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right, we are here. The boys got everything that they need to rig their cameras for their car rigs. You guys feeling good?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
This is easy.
Okay, let me pull out the timer. 20 minutes, starting now.
I want to do a profile shot. Let's turn this puppy on and see what we're working with.
Could go against this window and have like a OTS. Find your frame, and then we'll figure it out.
So now that we have that base layer, I can. Oh freak! How am I gonna get out of here? All right, I gotta get some more tools.
I'm gonna drive. This would be a story. Tenzin's gonna just sit there and drive. He's gonna sit there and drive like it's his learner's permit. Mine's gonna be like an actual story.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no!
Oh no, it popped off. All right. Oh boy, this is gonna be a close one. We're here with Tenzin in his car with his rig. 5/8 rod, baby pins, grip head. Definitely more of a complex setup than Tom's. Tom's using a similar strategy with a suction cup straight into a magic arm, then a second suction cup elevating some of that horizontal shakiness.
Get up, get up, get up.
All right, boys, you went through 2 rounds, and now it is time for the final decision. And this is going to be where we announce who wins the $500 gift card to Filmtools and all that jazz. However, before we do that, I've got a special surprise for you guys. Decon, come on out, baby. We got Decon.
That's Decon.
Decon,
I'm Decon, gaffer, DP, and filmmaking content creator out of Atlanta, Georgia.
the man, the myth, the legend.
Prepare to be judged.
He is going to help me. We're gonna go watch the clip real quick and see who did the best car rig with stability, safety, and creativity. Let's go. All right, what do we think of Tom's setup here?
For stability, it has the right amount of shake, because a car rig has to have a little bit of shake.
Yeah, I agree. Plus, the head turning is a nice touch, so extra points for that. Now on to Tenzin.
Tenzin's rig looks stable, but because it's shot on a 2D plane, it feels less interesting than Tom's.
Also, if you notice, his head is cut off a bit, making his composition feel unbalanced. Regardless, both did an amazing job stabilizing their rigs, so this decision is going to be a tough one. Before we announce who won, people watching this, if you want to win the $500 Filmtools gift card, you have to make a comment down below and follow everybody that was in this video, including Decon, okay? All those links for all of our Instagrams will be down below. Now, the name that we say is the winner of today's Filmtools Grip Grocery Games. Decon, you want to do the honors?
And the winner is the scrawniest, the smallest, the man that has never stepped a day in the gym. Tommy Shaw.
Tommy Shaw, baby! Tommy Shaw!
Oh my God. I knew it. I knew it.
Good job. Creativity, fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Work on the physique, but you're really good at rigging cameras.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, this is going to be your card, your gift to give to a random viewer. All right, thanks guys for watching this first episode of the Filmtools Grip Grocery Games. Appreciate you being here. That was a ton of fun. Everybody, what's your Instagram handle?
At Decon on Instagram, DE_CON.
At Tenzin Laz.
At marcusgraham.dp.
At Tom X. Shaw.
And at Josh Miller DP. Again, thanks for being here. Make sure you comment, follow all of us to be entered into the giveaway for the $500 Filmtools gift card. And we will see you on the next one.
Some people say I have like the stability of a surgeon, you know? You'll see. Little backdoor action, you know what I'm saying? You know.